swap her body. So she knows how to swap her body like that. She didn't know how to pee-pee. If she pee-pees in the potty, she'll get a treat.
Mm-hmm. She uses her pads, doesn't she? That's her potty.
Yeah, that's a potty training stuff.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
That's earwax.
Daddy's what? Come here. Come here. What'd you say that is?
That's earwax.
Daddy's earwax. Maybe earbuds.
Yeah, it's earbuds.
Earbugs. Bless you, Harley.
Bless you. She did a lot of stuff in there, but she only don't need anything about.
She doesn't need anything. Okay.
Yeah, I think so.
You think so?
She did essay and all this stuff. She don't need